watching the Puff Pastries and Herbs YouTube channel. Today, guess what we're making?
Bread.
Yes, we are making quick bread. Usually, how long does it take to make bread?
3 hours.
Yeah, it's about 3 hours. Today, we're going to shorten it to make it within 40 minutes. 40 minutes, okay? So by the time we go grocery shopping and come back, your bread is ready, all right? So it's gonna be so easy. The kids can do it. So make sure to hit the like button, share the video, and then subscribe to our channel. And still to the end, okay, everybody? So no fancy equipment, no fancy ingredients, all right, people? Let's get it started.
Yeah.
That mirror motivation, I'm the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let the change start with me. The mirror motivation, I'm the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let the change start with me.
Now, we are going over the ingredients, okay? 3.5 cups of flour, depending on your weather, okay? Sometimes if you are living in high desert, it requires more liquid versus flour. So we're gonna add a little by little, okay? So roughly 3 to 3.5 cups of flour, okay? And then extra flour for the surface. When you knead the dough, you need extra, okay? So we put something on the side, okay? 1/4 cup of sugar, okay? And then this kind of yeast is very important. Instant yeast, not a regular active yeast, is instant because we are shortening the time to make the bread, okay? So this is a magic dry yeast, instant dry yeast, 1.25 tablespoon, okay? And then 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 large egg, and then 1 extra egg, small one is fine.
Yep.
For egg wash. I am going to use butter, but you can use the vegetable oil and they get the same results. Okay, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil or melted butter. Alright, and then 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of warm water or milk. And that's it. So let's get it started.
Yeah.
Alright, so first thing we are going to do is warm up the milk.
How hot should it be?
115, between 110 to 115 is what we are looking at, okay?
So
if it is too hot, you're going to kill the yeast, okay? So you want to keep it nice and comfortable for the yeast, okay? Because remember last year we did a summer camp and then see the yeast is active, right?
Yes.
Remember? Okay, so what do they like? Yeast like?
Sugar.
Yes, good job. I'm glad you still remember. Okay, so 1 tablespoon
of yeast.
and then 1/4 teaspoon. Okay? Then we're gonna feed the yeast 1/4 cup of sugar. Alright? Okay, so 110. We're
That's
good. Okay. We're good on that. Alright, now we are going to pour it in.
Whoa, that
Okay,
looks like
and then mix it, whisk it a little bit, okay?
Yeah.
Before we add anything else, we're gonna wake them up, okay?
Yeast.
And make sure the yeast is active, all right? Then,
It smells good in here.
yeah. It's very important, and then make sure this instant active yeast is active, okay? So, but I can see it, it's active, it's coming up. Okay, now yeast is proof, it's bubble, that means it's ready to go, okay? So we are going to keep the salt towards the end because we don't want to kill the yeast, okay? Alright, so we are going to start adding flour just a little by little, and then whisk it. Yeah, here we go, your job is to whisk it. Make sure you get the edge. Okay, now you're gonna add egg. Break the egg.
Okay.
Okay, you don't want to clump those, so you're gonna get a little bit faster.
Fast.
Okay, and then more flour.
This is getting harder and harder to mix.
Slow down, slow down.
This is getting harder and harder
Yes,
to mix.
okay, let me do this. Okay. Melted butter in.
Clumpies of butter are flying.
Like that. Okay, and we are going to add a little bit more.
Flour.
Hello to this spatula. Now we're gonna go a little bit more. Now we are going to add the salt in. Okay, we're gonna have to work that in. A little bit more.
Okay. Just a little bit more flour.
Yeah.
And we'll get the right consistency.
Yes. Okay, getting there. Right?
Yep.
Put this on there.
Right.
Alright, now we are going to use the same flour. Okay? But we're gonna put it on the surface.
Because we're gonna mold little breads.
Yep, we are going to work those rest of the flour in.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, so we're gonna work this in. Spread it. Fold it.
Spread it.
Fold it. Okay, and then put a little bit more.
Flour.
Okay, put to the side. Do it all the time. Spread it, fold it, spread it, fold it. Okay?
Fold it, spread it, fold it, fold it. Okay, fold it, spread it. Looks like the bread is. Looks like the dough is dancing.
Yeah. See that consistency?
That's what we want.
That's what we want. Okay?
But we're
You
just
don't want the real hard bread. Unless you're making a hard bread, go right ahead. But that's not what I'm doing. I want soft and fluffy bread. Right?
like fluffle puff.
Fluffle puff. Okay, now it's good to go. Okay, I am going to. This is how we're gonna do. I'm gonna demonstrate in the big dough. Okay, same thing. Spread it out, right? Fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, and then everybody get folded in. Okay, and then pinch it so they all connect together, and then tap it. Okay, sprinkle some pixie dust and flip it around. Look at that.
Circles and light, you can fly.
There you go. All right, and then we're gonna push it down.
Push it, push, push,
Okay.
push, baby.
If you are using active dry yeast, you're gonna have to really sit there, okay, until go double, almost double the size. But we are doing an instant. That means instant active dry yeast. You don't need to do that. That's why we can make the quicker bread. Okay. Now we are going to use the extra flour and then sprinkle the surface.
Like pixie dust.
And pixie dust the dough, and then pixie dust this rolling pin.
So it can fly.
Your hands, give me your hands. Boop, boop. And then go like this. Ready? Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna spread just a little bit. You don't have to go flat all the way, okay? I'm just gonna make round so we can do the really good math. Now, this recipe is calling for 4 serving, which is 12 dinner rolls, okay? So we're gonna make it evenly, okay? We're gonna cut 12, all right? So first, cut it in half.
Yeah.
That makes 2.
Simple
Now we're
math.
gonna cut it in another
3, 4.
right? So this is quarter, right? Quarter. It's like a quarter note, right? Okay. Now each quarter we are going to split in how many?
3.
Yes. So 1.
So you get 12.
2. Okay. And then 1, 2.
3.
That's 3. And that's 6.
6.
1, 2.
2.
It's
3.
9.
9.
1,
And 12.
2.
And that's
3.
12, everyone.
So look, let's do the math. 1, 2, 3.
4,
1, 2, 3. Right? Let's separate them. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. Just like a clock. Right? So 3, 3, 3, 3. Makes what? 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Right? 4 times 3 is
12.
yes, good job. Okay, now let's make a dough.
And also 6 plus 6 is 12.
Yes, let's make a ball. Okay, we're gonna form a little ball. So flatten it out. Okay, if it's sticky, you're gonna sprinkle just a little bit of pixie dust. Okay,
It always makes everything better.
Yeah, and then fold it in just like how I showed you. Fold it in, fold it in, fold it in to the middle, and then pinch it, pinch it, pinch it. Tap, 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 tap. Look at that. Fold it in, pinch it, pinch it. Good. Now pinch it. That's good enough. And then pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, and then tap, 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 tap. You see that? Now flip it, and then gently roll it on your hand to make a ball. Okay? And then one down.
Is this Miss K approved?
Miss K approved. Okay, now we are going to use a wet, damp cloth. Okay? Damp cloth, and then cover it over. And then we are going to wait for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
While we're waiting, we are going to preheat the oven for 400 degrees. So we are going to prepare egg wash. Egg wash, you need 1 small egg. Crack it in. And 1 tablespoon of water. I want to make it a little bit sweet. So I'm going to put a little bit of sugar and then whisk it in with this brush. Okay.
Is that like the crust that's on?
Yeah, the brown crust.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Whoa.
do this.
That's awesome.
Don't move it. Now we are going to put this in the oven and bake it for 10 minutes. 400 degrees. Okay. All right. I think the bread is ready. Thank you for your song. Thank you for singing.
It's called the bread song.
All right. Okay, watch out. It's hot. Okay. All right. Here we go.
Filling the air.
Here we go. That's the bread.
Yes.
Would you like to try one?
Yes.
Yes. Of course.
Yes.
It's so hot. Let's try one. Okay, this guy. How about that?
Let's rip him in half.
Whew, that's hot. How's that? Delicious? Is that the best bread you ever had?
Delicious.
Delicious. All right. That's enough fun for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to mash that like button and then subscribe to our channel. Be sure to tell your friends and so we can spread the joy of cooking from scratch for the next generation. Please check out our website, poofdirtfarming.com, to download this recipe. So stay safe, be blessed, peace.
Bread, bread, bread. I love the bread. Bread, 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 bread. I love the bread, the bread, the bread.
When you look in the mirror,
The bread,
you gotta have a conversation with the person you see, y'all, and be real. Let's go. I'm the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let the change start with me. The mirror motivation, I am the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let the change start with me. The mirror motivation, the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let that change start with me. The mirror motivation, the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let